Talking that shit. That's my Gary.
That was your ace.
That was my ace.
It winked at you. It winked at you.
Yellow Chello.
Right.
Canary the boss. CAMEOS
You better spell that
Bitch
shit.
down now, bitch down now, bitch down now. I'm me. Can't tell me I'm not. My car, my crib, my hood, my block. I'm me. Talk about what you don't know. You can get high, what I got for the low. I'm me. You can't tell me I'm not. My car, my crib, my hood, my block. I'm me. Talk about what you don't know. You can get high, what I got for the low. I'm me. I'm me. I'm me. You're you. I'm me. I'm me. I'm me. You're you.
Y'all notice my hustle right here. Push it. Show me the push it. Push it. Skirt. There we go. Ladies and gentlemen.
Damn, you think he still got it? Huh? He talking that shit.
Ladies and gentlemen.
That's my Gary.
That was your ace.
That was my ace.
It winked at you. It winked at you. That is upside down.
Yeah, that shit looking like. What's the number, Rick?
To the head. Got him. That's what you're looking for.
Oh, CEE-LO, 456 in it, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, alright.
What's up, man? Canary, Yellow Chello, 50 Rich Records, Hot to Death Records, GU. You already know what it is. 50 playing this motherfucking 4, 5, 6. We shoot 2 dice back home, man. These niggas shooting 3 dice.
Yeah, that's how we do it.
3 dice. We do
New
2
Yorkers,
dice.
baby.
So my brother, my manager down there, about to get it 50 ass.
Okay.
We gon' get it poppin'. Hot to Death Records, 50 Rich Records, GU, to get it poppin'. Money May birthday, Swish Day. It's on and poppin', nigga. Fish scale flow, fish scale flow, fish scale flow. That's the mixtape on the way.
I like that. I like that. I like that. Yeah, that was a good one. Head crack.
Get him, bro.
Oh, trip.
I ain't seen y'all. I bet I got 40.
What's up? It's the Kitchen Chillerilla, aka P-Rilla, aka the Harlem Hot Boy. Now tuning in to Canary Yellow Chello TV, Canary the Boss. This is Filthy Rich TV. Joe Shooter.
How's your boy? You say me at TV party, you know what I'm saying? Floyd, you know what I mean? 50. Get them dice on New York style, you know how we do. All day with your boy Joe G. Holla at your boy. Yeah.
Sleek is the new shit. All that shit that you NBA players is wearing, and you NFL players is wearing, hockey. I don't give a fuck if you on the bowling team, on the lacrosse team, on the swimming team. You go get sleek, okay? Okay. That shit sounds slick.
My wrist they blingin', my rims they gleamin', I'm shining, man. I teach you how to stunt.